Okay, so now everyone give me the values for the first problem. So now first tell me the dimensions of the retaining wall. Okay. Yes, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so question number 1. So you can see the PDF on the screen assignment. So tell me what dimensions you have taken for the retaining wall. Depth of the base slab, width of the base slab, height तो दिया है क्वेश्चन में, और thickness of the stem. ठीक है, so on the basis of that we can check. Capital H is 5.8. So that means you have considered 1 meter as the depth of the foundation. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. अभी बताओ बेस स्लैब का डेप्थ और विड्थ क्या है और थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टेम क्या कंसीडर किया है.
So base slab का width 0.485.
485 mm कंसीडर किया है. ओके.
Then thickness of stem 150 mm.
विड्थ ऑफ द बेस स्लैब कितना है?
4000.
4 मीटर एज्यूम किया है विड्थ. ओके.
हाँ.
और थिकनेस ऑफ द स्टेम 150.
150. So upside or bottom one?
बॉटम
Where
वाला बताओ, ऊपर तो अपन रिड्यूस कर देंगे.
300.
जंक्शन पे बताओ.
300. 300.
300. Okay, others also same. Rohit has taken the width of the base slab as 3.5 and depth of the base slab as 500. Okay, no problem. And Ojas has taken 4 meters. ठीक है. ठीक है, so you have to understand whenever you are selecting the dimensions of the retaining wall कि कौन से dimension से what effect it will have. ठीक है, जो sliding effect है, sliding में अगर fail हो रहा है, so if you increase the width of the base slab, so that will help to avoid the failure in sliding. ठीक है, anyways, thickness of the stem 350. Okay. Okay, good. So everyone has taken different values. Now let us see design में क्या difference है. So now, ठीक है, stability analysis में you can directly check, directly tell me whether it is coming out to be safe or not. ठीक है, check for overturning में safe है. ठीक है, you can just
Yes,
give me the
sir.
value.
3.27.
3.27 ojas. Okay, and 2.71 किसका ये 2.71 रोहित. ठीक है, तो ओवरटर्निंग में ओजस का ज्यादा सेफ है. योर्स इज 2.71. Abdul, what value you can write down the value, so on the basis of that we can do a comparative study also. ठीक है, तो तुमको भी आइडिया मिलेगा कि when you take the dimensions तो डिजाइन में क्या डिफरेंस है. अंडरस्टूड? Yes, Abdul, how much you are getting? 2.7. ठीक है, रोहित एंड अब्दुल इज गेटिंग द सेम. ठीक है, 1.55 है and you are getting 2.7, no problem. And Ojas, how much you are getting?
3.27.
3.2. ओके, तो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू इसमें ओजेस का। नाउ स्लाइडिंग चेक।
1.66.
1.66, ठीक है। मैंने बोला था ना स्लाइडिंग में रोहित इज गेटिंग अनसेफ, राइट। सो मैंने क्या बोला था, विड्थ ऑफ द बेस स्लैब जब भी ज्यादा रहेगा, सो स्लाइडिंग में it comes out to be safe. So Rohit is getting 0.864, and Ojas, you can you write your values? And Abdul, what about? Okay, 1.66. You can provide the shear key. मैंने जैसे क्लास में बताया वैसा भी कर सकते हो. Yes, you can provide the shear key. No, I'm just telling you कि स्लाइडिंग में इफ यू कीप द विड्थ ऑफ द बेस स्लैब अगर थोड़ा ज्यादा रखेंगे तो सेफ आ जाता है. So you can see that Ojas, what width you have taken for the base slab? 4 meters, right?
4
हाँ, तो
meters.
इसके लिए इसका सेफ आया. नेक्स्ट, सॉइल प्रेशर. नेगेटिव में नहीं जाना चाहिए, दैट यू हैव टू टेक केयर, और एसबीसी से लेस होना चाहिए. पी मैक्स इज, गिव मी द वैल्यूज ऑफ पी मैक्स एंड पी मिनिमम. ठीक है, सो अगेन वी कैन हैव अ कंपैरेटिव स्टडी.
So total active earth pressure acting on stem is 83.9 kilonewton.
पी मैक्स एंड पी मिनिमम आई वांट. Exactly, correct, Abdul. Either you can increase the width of the base slab if it is failing in sliding, or you can provide the shear key. ठीक है, सो वंस यू डिजाइन, एक बार डिजाइन करोगे हर टाइप का प्रॉब्लम, देन यू विल गेट द जजमेंट, आइडिया मिलेगा कि डायमेंशंस क्या रखना है. आर यू गेटिंग? सो दैट इज द रीजन आई ऑलवेज कीप ऑन टेलिंग, solve as many questions possible, then only you will get that range and the idea of the designer. Yes, what was I asking? Pmax or P minimum का value? Okay, someone has written, Rohit has written Pmax is 85, which is less than SBC. What is the value of SBC? 150. ठीक है, fine, no problem. And others? Ojas, what are your values?
So 100 kilonewton and 83.9 kilonewton.
Okay, Pmax तुम्हारा 100 जा रहा है. ठीक है, so can you tell me Pmax ज़्यादा है ओजस का, why? क्योंकि इसका रिटेनिंग वॉल का वेट ही ज़्यादा है. आर यू गेटिंग? डायमेंशन ज़्यादा है. What about Abdul? Yes, others.
सर मैंने गलत बोल दिया. पी मैक्स 137.775 है और पी मिनिमम 13.835 है.
Okay, fine. 137, which is still less than 150, so no problem. Yes, what about others? Why are you not writing the values? We are at the end of the almost semester now. We are discussing about the second assignment. So it is expected that you finish the assignments. Yes, Shorabji, why are you not answering? Okay, so we have got two values from Rohit and Ojas. Yes, what about Abdul? What values you're getting? Okay, so you have not completed the problem. Sliding में unsafe आएगा तो class में हमने किया है ना. You have to provide the shear key and proceed. As simple as that. Sliding में in the class problem numerical also we were getting unsafe. Yes, Shurab ji, where you have done mistake, can you tell me? Which step you have done mistake? Okay, so let us move ahead. We don't have much time. So after we have seen the check for overturning, sliding and soil pressure, then you have to design the stem. Okay, thickness we have got. So tell me now, what is the design of the stem? What is the moment basically? So if the moment is correct, then the steel will also be the same. So you can give me the value of the moment. Yes, Samina, why have you joined so late? Have you solved the problems, Samina? Assignment problem? Yes or no? Yes, am I audible? Yes. Yes, we are coming to that next step. So moment बताओ मुझे पहले. We are discussing the first numerical. When you are designing the stem, ठीक है, after the checking part is done, you have to design the stem. So if you tell me the moment, then I can say
The
that
factored bending moment acting on stem is coming out to be 291.
write in the chat box or just Rohit is getting moment MUS 223. And Ojas 190. How much you told? Okay, you
223.0062.
okay, so same moment. The thickness both have provided the same.
No, sir.
Okay. Okay, so steel, how much you have provided? Just give me the diameter and the spacing.
So 20 mm torque at 155 mm center to center and minimum steel 8 mm torque at 120 mm center to center.
Okay. Okay, fine. Okay, next in the question, it is also mentioned that do the curtailment also. So same procedure which we have done in the classroom. So provide the curtailment, that is half of the steel, 50% is curtailed, and at a distance h dash from the top. So find out h dash the way we have done. So in that equation, 25 Rohit has provided at 175. Okay, fine. Okay, so in the calculation of h dash, in the last equation, the problem is in the unit. Okay, so in the left hand side, we have considered everything in mm. On the right hand side, if you check, that h dash is still in meters. So for that, you have to multiply that into 10 raised to 3 on the right hand side. Okay, so then you will get the value of h dash in mm. So just check that once again. Okay, so after the curtailment, then design of heel slab and design of the toe slab. So for the design of the heel slab and the toe slab, you can just give me the values of the bending moment. Okay, so then I will come to know whether it is correct or not. So when you're designing the heel slab, okay, you calculate the pressure and then the resultant pressure, then the distance, and then ultimately you find out the bending moment. On the basis of the bending moment, you calculate the steel. So just give me the value of the bending moment for the base slab, for the heel slab and the toe slab. Okay, design of the heel slab में what is the bending moment you're getting? Yes, give me the value of the moment, only the moment in heel slab. Okay, we can just check. Yes, have you not completed this problem? One hundred and two. Okay, Rohit is getting 102. Others? 106. Okay, so it is almost the same. I think depth of the base slab दोनों का different है, right?
Yes, sir.
कितना है depth तुम्हारा?
So 485 mm.
485 and Rohit?
Sorry, 515 depth.
अच्छा, base
515.
slab का depth you have taken 515 and अच्छा Rohit you have taken 500. ठीक है. So it is almost the same. It should be the same. So just has taken more depth. Okay. Okay, next toe slab में कितना आ रहा है? So on the basis of that moment you can provide the steel. Okay, so selecting a suitable diameter that you can easily do. Now for the toe slab, what is the moment?
127.97.
127. Toe slab, Ojas is getting 127. Rohit is getting 118. Okay, fine. So in this also almost it is the same. So at the end, जिसका sliding में pass नहीं है, they will provide a shear key. Okay, so हाँ, reinforcement detailing in this, anyone has any doubt? Someone was asking for the reinforcement detailing of cantilever wall. ठीक है. Okay, so with this, the first problem, so everyone is getting correct design. Okay, So those who have not completed, complete the problem after sliding check. Either you can increase the width of the base slab or continue and provide the shear key at the end. So now the second problem. Let us come to the second problem. Okay. So in this, base slab is at a depth of 1.2 below the ground level is given. Surcharge pressure is given. And angle of shearing resistance is given. Coefficient of friction is given. So first, again, in this case also give me the dimensions of the retaining wall.
फाउंडेशन 1.25 ना मतलब
Yes.
the base level is at 1.25 meter below the ground level दिया है
Correct.
पूरा टोटल डेप्थ 1.25
ग्राउंड लेवल से बॉटम ऑफ द बेस स्लैब तक दिया है
बॉटम 1.25
है और उसके ऊपर 4 मीटर है, तो टोटल कितना हो जाएगा 5.25 कैपिटल एच. अंडरस्टूड. अच्छा, टेल मी नाउ सेकंड प्रॉब्लम, हैव यू कंप्लीटेड और नॉट? एनीवन कंप्लीटेड सेकंड प्रॉब्लम? I think same type
Yes.
we have done in the classroom. Okay, you have done. So quickly give me the dimensions. Okay, so on the basis of dimensions, we will just check the design of the retaining wall. Width of the base slab कितना है? Just write in the chat box or just
इसका 4,000.
width of the base slab is 4 meter. Depth कितना consider किए हैं? Depth of the base
0.45.
slab
0.45.
450 mm.
Yes.
Okay, इतना कम, ठीक है. Next, thickness of the stem at the junction
300.
300. Okay. Yes, what about others? Write these values in the chat box or just. So he has taken width of the base slab 4 meter, depth of the base slab 450 mm, and thickness of the stem 300. Okay, so this is the retaining wall with the surcharge also. तुमने पहले के प्रॉब्लम में डायमेंशन ज्यादा लिया है, इसमें कम लिया है.
Sir, actually, I didn't see 1.25. I took 1.08 meter.
You took 1.08 meters.
Yes, sir.
Why? It is clearly mentioned in the question कि base slab
Yes,
1.25 है. तो तुमने पूरा कंप्लीट सॉल्व कर दिया है?
yes, sir.
Yes, what about others? Always you have to read the question carefully before proceeding. In the exam also, read the question carefully. ऐसी mistake मत करना. Yes, anyone else who has taken the values correctly, data from the question and completed the problem? No one has tried the second one? Yes or no? I think this same problem we have done in the class also, right? In fact, we have done with the inclined backfill का problem, right?
Yes, sir.
Surcharge वाला किया है?
So I have one doubt. So if we are getting P max positive and P minimum negative, then we have to redesign it, na?
हाँ, we have to redesign.
Okay, sir.
अगर एकदम negligible है, so it is fine. कितना आ रहा है value?
So first time when I designed, it was coming out to be something minus 9.65.
Okay, तो redesign करो, better है.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Surcharge, no one has tried this problem. ठीक है, इसमें एडिशनल हाइट आ जाएगा ना, जितना सरचार्ज है उसका जो प्रेशर डायग्राम है उसमें टॉप में एडिशनल हाइट आ जाएगा. वो कैसे फाइंड आउट करते हैं वो मैंने थियरी में बताया था, एच का वैल्यू. फिर एडिशनल प्रेशर डायग्राम लेके तुमको प्रोसीड करना है सेम वे. So when we have already done the inclined backfill, then this is even more simple than that.
So can you repeat?
When there is surcharge, जो प्रेशर डायग्राम जो बनेगा, ठीक है, तो उसका जो हाइट है that will be more.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, जो एक्स्ट्रा हाइट फाइंड आउट करते हैं उसका एक इक्वेशन है एडिशनल हाइट, गामा बाय सॉरी डब्ल्यू बाय गामा. सरचार्ज कितना है क्वेश्चन में? दैट इज डब्ल्यू. हाँ, सरचार्ज प्रेशर ऑफ 35, दिस इज डब्ल्यू. डब्ल्यू अपॉन गामा, यूनिट वेट ऑफ सॉइल 18. सो 35 बाय 18 कितना वैल्यू आ रहा है, उतना तुम्हारा एडिशनल हाइट प्रेशर डायग्राम में ऐड हो जाएगा. बस दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस. 35 डिवाइड बाय 18 कितना मिल रहा है? 1.94. करेक्ट. सो दैट प्रेशर डायग्राम जो बनता है, ठीक है. सो ये रिटेनिंग वॉल ऐसा है, ठीक है. सो प्रेशर डायग्राम पहले कैसा रहता था, सिर्फ इतना. तो पहले प्रेशर डायग्राम इतना ही रहता था ना. तो अब ये एडिशनल हाइट ड्यू टू सरचार्ज, यहाँ पे सरचार्ज है ऐसा 15, तो दिस हाइट विल इंक्रीज. ओके, ये हाइट इंक्रीज हो गया, तो ये एडिशनल हाइट, आई थिंक दिस वी हैव डन इन थियरी लेक्चर. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एच ई, एडिशनल हाइट. ठीक है, तो एच ई का वैल्यू अभी मैंने बताया डब्ल्यू बाय गामा. सो डब्ल्यू कितना है? 35. सो दिस इज कमिंग आउट टू बी 1.94. तो जो प्रेशर डायग्राम है वो ऐसा बन जाएगा. ओके, so this is your retaining wall with surcharge. Okay, so after this the same thickness of the stem निकालेंगे, stability analysis you will do. Okay, ठीक है. तो when you do the stability analysis you prepare that table, right? W1 W2 W3.
Yes.
तो ये केस में क्या हो जाएगा, एक एक्स्ट्रा लोड आ जाएगा जो सरचार्ज है, तो वो तुम्हारा अभी W1 सपोज ट्रायंगुलर पोर्शन ऑफ द स्टेम, W2 रेक्टेंगुलर पोर्शन ऑफ द स्टेम, W3 इज द बेस स्लैब, W4 क्या है? सॉइल. तो इसमें जो एक्स्ट्रा जो सरचार्ज है यू कैन कंसिडर दैट एज W5, तो वो भी ऐड हो जाएगा.